안녕하세요, 여러분. Hello, everyone. And this is Koreanong Kinilaw, and welcome back to my channel. So, welcome back, mga Kinilaw, in our tutorial video about the basic Korean communication skills. So, first, let's review what we learned last week. So, we learned the question, where are you going? Means in Korean, 어디에 가요? And the kayo, the use of kayo. So kayo means to go to a certain place, right? So, right, this video, mga Kinilaw, we will practice we will practice what we learned in the previous lesson that I taught you, mga Kinilaw. So we will answer the question by yes or no. So I will teach you the tricks, and also we will learn today the uses of e and ga. So we will learn the two things today, and I will also put some vocabularies so that after the video, so that you can copy it in your notes and you can study on your own, mga Kinilaw. So, what are you waiting for, mga Kinilaw? Let's start. Wow, magic. Not me and my jowa, mga Kinilaw, because we don't have a jowa. So, mga Kinilaw, as what I have told you a while ago, that we will practice what we have learned last week, and we will learn another lesson for this week, and that is the uses of e and ga in a sentence. Okay? So, let's start, mga Kinilaw. So, we will begin first with the practice. So, last time, our question is 어디에 가요? And we will answer 집에 가요 or 학교에 가요. But this time, we will use the answer as a question, and then we will answer the question with yes or no. One more time. We will use the answer as a question, and then we will answer the question with yes or no. So, mga Kinilaw, let's start. Okay, so let's learn first the Korean word of yes and no. So, yes in English and ne in Korean. Yes in English and ne in Korean. How about the no? No in English and 아니요 in Korean. No in English and 아니요 in Korean. Okay, so let's start the practice, mga Kinilaw. So what if you asked your friend if he or she will go to his or her house? So you will ask, 집에 가요? One more time, 집에 가요? And then, what if he or she will answer yes? She will answer 네. 집에 가요. One more time, 네. 집에 가요. 집에 가요? 집에 가요? And then she will answer 아니요. 학교에 가요. One more time. 집에 가요? She will answer, he or she will answer 아니요. 학교에 가요. So, that's it, mga Kinilaw. It's so very easy, right? So, if you're asking your friend like, do you want to go to your house? Are you going to your house? So you will just 집에 가요? You will just answer 네, 집에 가요. And then if he or she will answer no, after the 아니요 word, you just need to state the place where she is going. He or she is going. So, it's very easy, right, mga Kinilaw? So, let's proceed. Let's proceed to our lesson. No. Let's proceed to our next lesson, mga Kinilaw. Okay? See ya.
A few moments later.
Okay, mga Kinilaw. So, we finished the practice, and I hope you learned. And it's very easy, right? So, let's learn about the uses of e and ga in a sentence. So, e and ga. What is e and ga? Alright, so the question is, mga Kinilaw, when do we need to use the e and ga, right, in a sentence? So, you will use e if there is a patchim in a word or in a noun, right? And ga if there is no patchim in a noun. So, let's start, mga Kinilaw, as what I have told you, right? We will use e if there is a patchim in a word, right? And we will use ga if there is no patchim in a word, in a noun, okay? So, let's start. Let's practice first the e, okay? So, desk in English, right? Desk in English and 책상 in Korean. Desk in English and 책상 in Korean. So what if we will say the desk is small? One more time. The desk is small. So small in English and 작아요 in Korean. One more time. Small in English and 작아요 in Korean. So what will you say in Korean if you will say the desk is small? So you will say 책상이 작아요. One more time. 책상이 작아요, meaning the desk is small, right? 책상이 작아요. Okay? So let's proceed to ga. Let's say the apple is delicious. One more time. The apple is delicious. So apple in English and sagwa in Korean. One more time. Apple in English and sagwa in Korean. How about delicious? Delicious in English and 맛있어요 in Korean. One more time. Delicious in English and 맛있어요 in Korean. So how will you say the apple is delicious? You will say 사과가 맛있어요. One more time. 사과가 맛있어요. One more time. 사과가 맛있어요. Alright, mga Kinilaw. So it's very easy, right? Very easy. So that's how we use e or ga in a sentence, mga Kinilaw. We use e if there is a patchim in a word, and we use ga if there is no patchim in a word. So after this video mga Kinilaw, I will give you again some vocabularies so you can write it on your notes and you can study it on your own. I know all of you can can read Korean and can pronounce Korean letters very well. And I hope this will help you a lot mga Kinilaw in studying Korean. Okay, so see you next time for my next tutorial mga Kakinilaw. Bye-bye!